Hi everyone, Joshua here with Barista Warehouse. Today we're checking out the Ankomn Turn-N-Seal Vacuum Coffee Canisters. Now these vacuum canisters are a hard plastic container that work towards keeping your ground or whole beans fresh so they're at their peak for longer. With 4 sizes and 4 different colors to choose from, you can mix and match to find which one's right for you. With a 0.6 litre, a 1.2 litre, a 1.5 litre and a 2.4 litre container available, each also holding a varied amount of whole bean coffees within them. The extra benefit to the UV protected clear, the full white and the full black are that they completely block out the sun from deteriorating the contents any further. Whereas I do also enjoy the look of the clear, and if you're not looking to keep it on the bench but in the fridge, then it's a handy way to see inside it so you know how much of something you have left. Another great thing about the Ankomn is that they are reliably stackable, which is great for cupboard or bench saving space. So if you are looking to shop the full range of the Ankomn Turn-N-Seal canisters, you can by following this link right here. Now let's check out how they work and how to use them. After you've placed your beans in the container and the lid is on, by turning that 360-degree knob on top, either way or back and forwards, you draw the air out of the interior in the container, removing any excess oxygen from the contents. And this helps provide a vacuum environment inside that slows down the deterioration and staling process of your coffee beans, or whatever else you have stored in there. The great news here is you can store ground coffee as well as whole beans, though Ankomn do suggest you keep your ground coffee in a packet to help save on regular cleaning of the seal. Now, the more you turn, the more oxygen you remove from the inside of the container. You'll notice the lid gets a little bit harder to turn, but not really a lot harder as the vacuum increases inside. And when you have achieved a secure vacuum seal, the pressure release button that has a dimple on it will noticeably sag down. And from here, if you keep turning, you're only going to increase the reliability and the duration of the seal. But as it stands, it's generally around 3 to 4 days this seal is going to hold, keeping fresh oxygen out and your products well protected inside. To equalize the container, to open the lid again, press the pressure release button, and with a gush of air filling the container up, the lid becomes possible to remove once more. I find holding the button down whilst removing that lid makes it a little bit easier to do, but that's it. Simple and easy procedures to create an ideal environment for storing your perishable products like your beloved coffee beans. So as a good demonstration of how strong the vacuum is on the Ankomn, I've placed some marshmallows inside this container, and I'm now going to just start removing the oxygen and creating the vacuum inside. And the marshmallows will start to expand as the air tries to escape from the insides of them. And then when we release the button, the marshmallows will succumb to the atmospheric pressure once more. There we go, right on cue. In cleaning the Ankomn canister, they're not dishwasher safe, but a regular clean of the seal will go a long way to ensure its effectiveness. If you note that the seal is no longer holding as before, a quick wipe down of the lid seal on the inside with a wet cloth, and you can run this under the tap as well, will remove any grinds, dust or grit build up. No matter how large or small, having material in this seal will disturb the vacuum holding capabilities of the Ankomn, and oxygen will begin to seep in through the seal, releasing it sooner than expected. And that's really it in terms of the care and maintenance of the Ankomm's. There is a full list of instructions with each and a great video tutorial on advanced cleaning. I'm going to throw that in the comments section down below. But that's the stackable, UV protected and oxygen deprived containers for coffee and everything else, the Turn-N-Seal Ankomn vacuum canisters. So if you have any questions on this product, throw them in the comments section down below and we'll get straight back to you. Don't forget to hit that little bell icon, and that way you stay notified when we bring out new videos just like this every week. If you've enjoyed this video, have yourselves a marshmallow. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.